Hola, welcome back. Welcome to Clase Dos. All right, so today we are going to practice calendar, feelings, greetings, goodbyes, colors, and numbers 15 through 30. So if you'd like additional practice, I did include this mariposa. Mariposa is butterfly. It's a color by number. So if you look here, this is a number 1. Anaranjado would be the color you should shade in this part of the butterfly. And you come down below and look at vocabulary for anaranjado, which is orange. And so all the ones you would color orange. So that's some practice with your vocabulary. And same thing with numbers, counting the butterflies and encircling the correct amount of butterflies in each question. All right, so let's go ahead and begin with our calendario, our calendar. So remember, when you do the calendar, I will go ahead and read what's in white, and then you would insert the day, the number of the day, then the word day, and the month that you are watching this video in. And then we have the days of the week here at the top as well. So beginning with domingo, if today is domingo, you would say hoy es el domingo. Or lunes, or martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado. All right, let's practice. Hoy es el day. And then your month. So if it's a month of January, you would say enero. If it's February, febrero. Marzo would be March. Abril, April. Mayo, May. Junio, June. Julio, July. Agosto, septiembre. Octubre, noviembre, diciembre. All right, ¿en qué tiempo hace? What's the weather like where you are? ¿Qué tiempo hace? Where I am, hace frío y hace viento. What about you? ¿Qué tiempo hace? And ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás hoy? Yo estoy bien. Yo estoy contenta. There's a couple other ways to describe if you're feeling well and you want to try to expand on your vocabulary. You could use contento or contenta. The @ sign is representing the O, contento, if you are a male or identify as a male, or contenta if you're female or identify as a female. So you could use contento, fantástico, maravilloso. If you're feeling más o menos, like so-so, maybe you're a little nervous, nervioso or nerviosa, cansado or cansada, for tired, estresado, estresada, stressed out. Maybe you're not feeling very well today. Maybe you're mal. Maybe you're feeling badly. Maybe you're enojado or enojada. You're angry. Or triste, sad. If it ends with an E, then it will just always be an E. It doesn't change to be O's or A's. It will always be an E. Or maybe you're sick, enfermo or enferma. So let's try that again. I'm going to say, ¿cómo estás? You choose which column, but then go further in and use another description for how you're feeling. So, ¿cómo estás? Yo estoy más o menos. Yo estoy cansada hoy. Okay, so last time we learned the numbers 0 through 15. And we learned that when we get to number 11, that's our say group. Like once, doce, trece, catorce, quince. The nice thing is when you get to 16, it's like an addition problem. You're going to use words you already know to create a new word. So for example, 10 y 6 is basically 10 plus 6. 10 plus 6 equals 16. 10 y 6. Think of it as an addition problem. So 17 would be 10 y 7. Why don't you go ahead and practice? Say after me. Here we go. 10 y 8. 10 y 9. 20. 20 is a new tens place. So then same thing with 20, you just add on. So let's go ahead and practice. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30, 31. And that is the highest we go in this class. But the next class, the Learning Spanish Part 2, we will go higher in the higher numbers. But I wanted to make sure I covered through 31 just in case, because that's the highest the numbers go on the calendar. All right, so let's go ahead and practice our listening. We're going to play bingo. And so in this, in the class, you can actually print off the bingo sheets. And so you can choose which one you'd like. I'm going to go ahead and call out some numbers here, and you will go ahead and fill out your bingo card. So if you hear me say the number cuatro, you would mark off the cuatro. And your goal is to get 4 in a row. All right, here we go. First number is ocho. Ocho. Ocho is 8. So if you have an ocho, you can go ahead and put an X through it. Next one. 16. 16. 10 and 6. 16. 24. 24. 24. 24. Next one, siete. 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 7. Nueve. Nueve. If you have nueve, go ahead and mark it. Nueve. Nueve is 9. 22. 22. 22. So if you have 22, go ahead and mark it. 29. 29. You have 29, go ahead and mark it. 29, 20 and 9 is 29. What about 30? If you have 30, go ahead and give it a mark. Marca 30. 30 is 30, 30. Next one is once. 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 That's in our say group. Once. Cinco. Cinco. If you have cinco, mark cinco. Cinco is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next one, 25. 25. 25. 25. 28. 28. 20 and 8. 28. 27. 27. 20 and 7. 27. 6. 6. 6. 9. 9. And cuatro. Cuatro. You have a bingo yet? If you do, you can go ahead and repeat the numbers in Spanish to the somebody near you so we can verify that you have a bingo. If not, I'll call off a few more numbers. How about number 11, which I think I already did. How about 12? 12. 12 is our say group, 12. And 17. 17. 17. 18. 18. 18. 16. 16. 16. And last one, 27. 27. 27. All right. So hopefully you got a bingo out of that. And then you can always play again and choose a different card. All right, let's move on. In this class, we are going to talk about our favorite color. So what is your favorite color in Spanish is ¿Cuál es tu color favorito? And you reply by saying mi color favorito es, and then you insert your color. For example, my favorite color, mi color favorito es rojo. Rojo. Let's hear how these sound. So when you can then tell me what your favorite color is in Spanish. So repeat after me. Rojo, verde, rosa, anaranjado. That one's kind of hard. It sometimes helps if you clap your hand because there's 5 syllables. Anaranjado. Azul, gris, amarillo, morado, café, blanco, negro. So, ¿cuál es tu color favorito? Let's hear you say it. All right. I'm capturing mariposas. How many do you think I will catch? And what color will they be? So here we go. Let's make a prediction. ¿Cuántas mariposas capturo? How many mariposas do I capture here? So make a guess how many and what color they are. Go ahead and say the number and the color in Spanish out loud. You got a guess? Okay, here we go. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13. So yo capturo 13 mariposas azules. 13 mariposas azules. All right. Did you guess it right? If not, that's okay. Here's another chance. Go ahead. Make a prediction. ¿Cuántas mariposas capturo? Say the number in Spanish and predict which color they're going to be. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16. Yo capturo 16 mariposas amarillas. Amarillas. All right, last one. Make a prediction. ¿Cuántas mariposas capturo? ¿Y de qué color? Say your prediction in Spanish. The number and color. All right, here we go. Now it's your turn to count. Veinte. Did you get 20? Hay 20 mariposas rojas. 20 mariposas rojas. All right, nicely done. So we will go ahead and continue to practice our colors. We're going to play a game of Sorry. And if you'd like to play after class, this Sorry board is included in your information, so you can play with somebody else if you'd like. We're going to go ahead and roll the die. We're going to start over here. There's mariposa roja, mariposa amarilla, y mariposa azul. And you will advance to the color, and then you have to say what that color is in Spanish. So watch, for example, I can go first with mariposa roja. I will stop. I get 4, cuatro. So we go 1, 2, 3, y 4. I would say el color es blanco. The color is white that I landed on. All right. You are going to be amarillo. So let's see where you are going to advance to. You get 1. And you land right here. So can you tell me, de qué color es? What is the color? De qué color es? Okay. Now I'm going to roll and see what I get here. 4. 1, 2, 3, y 4. El color es anaranjado. And there's a little color vocabulary bank here for you if you've forgotten. Your roll is going to be 2. 1 y 2. ¿Cuál es el color? All right, my turn. I get 1. I advance. El color es rosa. El color es rosa for me. All right, your turn. You get 2. 1, 2. ¿Cuál es el color? My turn. 4. 1, 2, 3 y 4. El color es amarillo. Okay, your turn. 4. 1, 2, 3 y 4. ¿Cuál es el color? All right, I get 1. El color es rojo. Let's see what color you get. You get 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And you take the lead. ¿Cuál es el color? Your color is azul. Did you say mi color es azul or el color es azul? All right, my turn. Trace. Uno, dos, y tres. El color es azul. All right. What first one to the end wins. We're almost there. Let's see what number you roll here. Cuatro. Uno, dos, tres, y cuatro. ¿Cuál es el color? My turn. I get cuatro as well. Uno, dos, tres, y cuatro. El color es morado. Morado. All right. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. You need 4 to get into home. Let's see what you get. And you got cuatro. You win. Nicely done. Uno, dos, tres, y cuatro. So you can play this again if you'd like. There's a virtual copy and also some printed off copies as well. All right, it is time to choose a goodbye. So to tell myself and our friends a goodbye tonight. And my goodbye is going to be te veo luego. Te veo luego. What would your goodbye be to me? All right. Have a good one. Adios.